muscle man.
Also here.
Yeah. It's too much sunshine, you know.
You see, when you use this one, you have to hold very fast. It's a very tight and then hit in the middle, you know?
Uh-huh. Oh, you are strong.
No, it's not.
And how many?
strong. Just hit it.
Oh, it's easy. Look like.
Yeah. Just hold fast so it's not coming like this in your legs.
Nine, nine.
See?
And do. It's man work.
Yeah.
But we are so strong, huh?
This is very big one. Huh?
How to cut two pieces?
Yeah.
Two pieces.
I'll make two.
No, not this one, big one.
The big one.
Yeah, round one.
This one is very big.
Oh.
See how very strong. See,
Yeah,
it's very good. Huh?
very good.
I think this is
Look like easy,
yeah, it looks like.
but it's not easy.
You have to be very strong. See, you see, it's become black like this.
Yeah. Haha. So you have to cut this all.
Yeah, I
Oh,
cut all this.
oh my God.
It's 3 days I did.
Oh. Uncle will be surprised when he come home. No.
Have to cut this. You want to try?
Yeah,
Wait, I'll give you one. This,
it's small one.
this one. Then you have to hit in the middle.
Okay.
Huh? Go.
I will try.
No. Just let's see. I'm strong or not. But you have to make a little bit like this. Take care of your legs. Yeah, in the middle.
Oh my God.
Take care of your legs. You don't have to do like this. You have to do like this. And very low. Come on. Hit. If you cut your legs, I can video it.
Oh my God. How you do?
Come on.
How you do really?
Come. Beat very strong. Oh! So you got it.
But only half.
You have to make it 3. Don't laugh. Don't laugh. Concentrate. Concentrate.
Oh my God.
You have to concentrate in the middle. Take care. It's not good your legs like that.
I cannot do it. I really can't. Oh my God.
Come on.
You see?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Take care of your legs. Come on.
How long is that now?
It's 2 years.
Oh my God. You know what? How you did really, no? I cannot take out this one. Stop.
You have to remove it. Come on, one more. See, it's almost coming. One more. Oh my God, it's hurting my stomach too.
Oh my God, how you cut? This one is.
I cut all. Oh, not like that. It should be up. It should be up. Otherwise, you cut your legs.
This all
Take care.
is-
Take care, Chato. Come here, I will do it. Come.
Oh my God.
Come.
Oh, on my back.
Only one little bit. You cannot eat.
I will learn more.
Yeah, you have to do.
Yeah.
But you never ever do in the side like this.
No,
You should do in the middle.
middle. Eh?
Concentrate. And do it like this.
Oh.
See?
Huh? I get battery.
This one's a little bit. Just always hit in the middle. You know?
Fuck. Man. It's hard job. I thought it's easy.
One more.
One more, yeah, maybe. It's look ugly. Look at you cut all other is good.
Yeah, because you just try.
Yeah.
See?
Oh my God.
Look. See this one?
Hmm. Oh.
You have to concentrate. See?
No. That's nice.
Because if you're laughing, you cannot walk.
I.
See?
But you have to also hit very hard, you know.
Yeah. You have to, otherwise you
Yeah.
cannot. Because this one is very strong. See? Oh
my God.
You see how I is strong?
Yeah, you are
Like
strong.
When the men will become close.
You can hit beat. Uh-huh.
See?
This one uncle use?
Yeah, because it's
He's higher. Yeah. Also, this one is very heavy, you know.
yeah.
Oh.
That's very good.
That is good, I think. This one.
Yeah, this one is very good.
Mm.
See, the rain is coming. Soon. You see, I do all this.
Mm. That's good, you know. If I do this one, maybe it will take 1 year. Oh my God.
In the beginning, I cannot do it.
Now you can do it.
You can just close this one. Hello.
Bye bye.
Okay.